Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about team collaboration in Terraform. Okay, so local changes are not always good. Currently we have been working with the Terraform code locally. So till now we have seen like whatever code we have written and we have developed to create and provision the EC2 and some other resources, that we just kept the code and the configuration file locally, right? And we are hitting the Terraform init, Terraform apply and creating the infrastructure using the local only. Okay, so that is not the case whenever you are going to work with the real-time project in any organization. Okay, so whatever like what you will be doing whenever you are going to work with the real-time project using the Terraform, so you are going to develop some infrastructure code, okay, in your local system. Then you are going to push that code into the central repository, okay, and from there whoever like having access to clone the repository, okay, so they will go and clone the repository and they will like work on the infrastructure development, and they will start contributing in the infrastructure development as part of your organization. Okay, so this is how like central repository help us to like for team collaboration in Terraform and some other use cases as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and see it with practical so that you can easily understand it what exactly I am talking about. So let me open my GitHub account and I will be creating another repository just to show you that how we can manage it. YouTube test, I am going to give the name and I am going to keep as this repository as public. Okay, so I am going to add readme file here, and the so the main branch, so the main branch is main, as you can see it here. Okay, this file will be available on the main branch, so click on create repository. Okay, as you can see we got the repository here. Let's click on clone and copy this, open the cmd. Okay, so let's run git clone and the URL that we have just copied, so it's good now. So let's go to the VS Code and open new tab, and in this new tab we have to open folder just we have cloned from GitHub, so that I cloned in this repository. So YouTube test, open this folder here, as we can see it here. Let me define the main.tf. okay, main.tf, and let me write the configuration. So let me write it here. So let's just copy this and let's copy the another configuration that is required for our testing. So let's copy this one as well and remove here. Okay, t2 dot nano I am going to use for the EC2 instance. Okay, so I am not going to run Terraform init and apply, so I am going to do it in the next video. So as you can see here we are getting the commit option. Okay, so now we have to add commit message, right? Adding config of EC2 instance. Okay, so we have to now click on commit. Would you like to stage all of your changes and commit them directly? Yes, I want to commit it and sync the changes. So our changes are getting pushed to the GitHub. So if we go here and if we refresh our page, so we are going to see the changes here. As we can see main.tf, and we can see whatever code we have developed. Okay, so later on if anyone need to contribute to this project, okay, they can simply go and clone this repository and they can start writing and developing their Terraform configuration file according to the requirement, and they can also push and commit their changes to this project. Okay, and this is how team collaboration work with the Git and GitHub. Okay, and that we use in Terraform, okay, to work with the team members, and that is called team collaboration. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.